Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account on Gemini, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your account on Gemini, start by visiting the Gemini website. Locate the sign in button on the home page. Click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Enter the email address associated with your Gemini account. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Gemini. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password and enter it in the required fields. Confirm your new password by entering it again. After successfully updating your password, return to the sign-in page. Input your email address and your new password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, click on Help at the bottom of the page. Follow the prompts for additional recovery options. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security once you regain access. Keep your recovery email and phone number updated in your account settings. This ensures a smooth account recovery process in the future. For further assistance, reach out to Gemini's support team via their contact form. They will guide you through any additional recovery steps if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.